Verifying your Deezer account is essential for accessing all features and ensuring the security of your profile. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access the Deezer app or website. Open the Deezer app on your mobile device or visit the Deezer website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the menu or Profile section. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Find Verification Options. Look for the Verification section within the account settings. This may be labeled as Verify Account or Account Verification. Step 4. Choose Verification Method. Select your preferred method for verification. This could involve receiving a verification email, SMS, or using a social media account linked to your Deezer profile. Step 5. Complete the verification process. Follow the instructions provided for your chosen verification method. This may include clicking a link in an email or entering a code sent to your phone. Once completed, your account will be verified. Once you have followed these steps, your Deezer account should be successfully verified, allowing you to enjoy all the features the platform has to offer.